Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have very spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. In the middle, you have 2 flip-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, Eco Coach, and comm screen. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you do have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, simple but easy to use. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. But then moving on to your right, where you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment here for more storage. And moving down, you have another 12-volt with USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, center compartment / armrest. And then this does flip up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall. So plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.